Hello, good morning. This is Milo. I'm here at my favorite place for drone flying, and this is my new drone. It's a white one this time. It's the Sima X8 Pro GP with GPS. It looks like it's a Phantom 4 actually. But anyway, here I am having fun with my drone. This is the view of the mountains. Look at that, it's beautiful today, there's no wind. And there's my drone. Look at that, it's hovering actually. But anyway, let's see if we can. Oh, there you go. There you go. I'm not comfortable letting him go yet. I just need to see how he is with this with the way how it flies. Beautiful. Ooh. There you go. We'll make it a little lower. Come on. Here we go. Woo! Here he is. It's a beauty. There we go. Really nice drone. Here it is. Getting closer. Beautiful. Nice. There's no wind today, so the drones are really stable when they fly. Look at that. Oh, it's so fast. Alright, come back. I hope you like it, like this video. I'm just having a good time. Getting a close-up. Anyway, let's let it fly. Let it fly. There you go. Come back. Woo! All right. Beautiful drone. Anyway, thanks for watching.